Today, let's take a look at sneakers that were developed as streetwear, but mainly for BMX riding. It's a strange collaboration between the brand that makes the basketball shoe known as Jordan and American BMX athlete Nigel Sylvester. The result is a sneaker called the Jordan 4 RMSP, Nigel Sylvester Driveway Gray, but it comes in more of a black colorway. In my opinion, it's an interesting sneaker. The outsole of this shoe is the same as the famous Jordan 4, and at the same time on the heel, you will find the inscription Bike Air instead of Nike Air. And this is very original. They came out on August 8, 2024 for $160, and if you like them, they are still for retail price on the secondary market. I would say the price will go up over time. What do you think? Do you like them? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.